What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage. Today I'm going to hit y'all with that review over the Air Jordan 3 Tinkers as I have them right here, man. These are set to re-release April the 30th, man. It's set in stone. I put that out in my the latest pickups or last releases of April that these will be released on the 30th, man. And people was asking me where you get them from, and as y'all probably already know, the SNKRS app is where you get these from, man. SNKRS app. I think as well Foot Action. I know Foot Action get them, and maybe Foot Locker. So check your Foot Locker apps. But for right now, I know Foot Action and SNKRS app is getting these Air Jordan 3 Tinkers. I pulled the trigger early on them. I paid a good price. I feel like they're still around the same ballpark on StockX where I got these. And yeah, man, I had to pick them up. I've been wanting them. I see my boy DaRetroWizKid have them in his collection. His collections make me want to just buy more shoes, man. So I gotta stay from the sneaker dungeon, man. But here you have it, Air Jordan 3 Tinkers. We'll get to a quick review, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell for your boy. We can get right into it. I'm sorry for wasting your time. Let's get into it. Okay, first off, man, I wanted to show y'all the new touch they put on the hang tag right here. As you can see, you have this Tinker Hatfield signature right there with the Jumpman down there. It's not, if you got a pair of shoes, this is the first release, so I don't know how the second release will come, but I know this one right here, it comes with the hang tag. I'm pretty sure they're gonna do the same thing. So check that hang tag out right there. I'm gonna give you guys some nice B-roll of that as well. That's the first thing I wanted to point out. And here you go right here. What you don't see on every Air Jordan 3, the second version they made it. This is the first version with the Nike check. You don't have a Nike check, but on the second version, the Tinker Hatfield version, there you have it right there, man. So check that out. Let me know how y'all feel about that. Some people not liking it, some people loving it, man. That vintage OG look to the shoe. Right here at the bottom of the shoe, you have that elephant print and that gray and black colorway right there, as you can see. Going around to the back of the shoe, you have that Nike Air, which everybody is going crazy over, man. People loving the Nike Air on the back, and they threw it on there for us, man, that red colorway. On the inside of the shoe, you have that Nike right there. That's really what I don't know why I like this about the shoe the most, but just that Nike on the inside of that heel right there makes me really like this shoe even more. It just pops out at you. It would have been really dope if it was 3M. That's what I thought it was at first, but it's just a regular stitched gray Nike on the side. But that would be dope if it was 3M, man. Also, you have this tumbled leather around the whole top portion of this Air Jordan 3. It's nice tumbled leather. You know, sometimes you get that nice tumbled leather, sometimes you get that stiff tumbled leather. So I'm not gonna juice y'all, man. It's kind of like on the stiff end of the tumbled leather, man. Very stiff. Like I said, y'all will see that in that B-roll. You got the red eyelets right here on your Air Jordan 3s, and you got the gray right here, the gray eyelets. Let me show you on this side. You got the gray, you got the red, as you can see. You got it right there. The white laces don't come with no extra laces. Yeah, just standard white laces. That would have been dope. They would throw some black ones in there. Maybe I might try it out myself on my own feet. If I can find some black laces, I will throw them in there for y'all. But yeah, man, you got that red Jumpman right there. Very nice soft tongue. And on the back of the tongue, man, you have that Tinker Hatfield signature again. Very, very dope, man. Just a dope addition to a collection. Very like more on the collector's end, more as rocking it. Cause you got this original Air Jordan 3 model, man. That Tinker Hatfield design himself. I just feel like that right there, put in your collection is dope, man. That's why I wanted it. Bottom of the shoe, man, we have a red Nike, red pod, gray and white. As you can see, I already wore these. I already did like on feet with the how to wear your pants with your shoe tutorial. And on the inside of the shoe, you can get a gray shoe tree with the Jumpman right there, gray paper. And on the insole, gotta show y'all this. And this is a German release or overseas release. Let me say that. That's why I got the sticker there. I never had that sticker on my shoe in the States, but here you have right there. Got the Tinker Hatfield signature, and you got the flipped upside down. You got the Air Jordan 3 original model. I never read what this said down there, so let me see if I can read it for y'all. Put it close real quick. That right there is what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can get it. It says something makes the Air Jordan move. Shit, I don't know what to say. Y'all know what to say, let me know in the comment section below, man. Let me show y'all the other shoe real quick. Here you have it. The right Air Jordan 3 Tinkers, man. There you have it. Very stiff leather on that Nike check as well. I did not point that out. But yeah, man, this is just a dope shoe, man. It's just dope, iconic, meaningful shoe, you feel me, that I feel like I had to grab. On top of the box, I would throw in some B-roll as well, because the box is in storage. But yeah, as y'all see in the pickup, it has that Tinker Hatfield signature on the top of the box. And you know how regular Air Jordans come. Air Jordan 3s, you got the Jordan Jumpman logo on the top of the box, but there you got the Tinker Hatfield, just like from the back of the tongue right there. Yeah, man, let me show you the Air Jordan 3 True Blues real quick. Quick comparison, man. Quick comparison. As you see, the biggest difference. You got these, no Nike check, and these Nike check. I wonder why. I wish I could do some research or talk to somebody in the damn Jordan team, which that shit ain't gonna happen for a long time, on why they decided not to keep the Nike check on there. If y'all could pick either the model that we used to getting or the OG model that never was released, which one would you have them stick with? Let me know in the comment section below. Just a quick little comparison, man. Pretty much the same shoe without the Nike check, if I'm not mistaken. Got the stars at the bottom, same pods, just the same shoe, just with a Nike check, man. Got the same air unit down there. See how that side, air unit, the bottom down there. That is it for this review and what to expect on these Air Jordan 3 Tinkers. If you copy these, let me know in the comment section below. They're releasing on Sneakers app, and I know for sure Foot Action is getting pairs of these, man. So let me know in the comment section below if you're getting them. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, man. Links will be in the description box below. And ring that notification bell for your boy. I'm gonna catch y'all in tomorrow's video. It's gonna be some dope content, man, so stay tuned. See y'all next one. Peace.